Humanity. It's a word that carries immense weight and profound meaning. It's the very essence of what makes us human. The ability to feel compassion, to love, to connect, and to make a difference. In a world that can often feel divided and chaotic, it's easy to forget the power that lies within each of us, the power to change lives, to heal wounds, and to build bridges. Humanity isn't just about grand gestures, it's found in the everyday acts of kindness and understanding. It's in the smile you give a stranger, the hand you offer to someone in need, the ear you lend to a friend. These small, seemingly insignificant actions create ripples that can turn into waves of positive change. Despite our differences, whether they be in culture, race, religion, or beliefs, there's something that unites us all: our shared humanity. When we look past what divides us and focus on what connects us, we find that we are all part of something much bigger than ourselves. We are all pieces of a puzzle, each contributing to the picture of what it means to be human. In times of crisis, it's our humanity that shines the brightest. When disaster strikes, when challenges arise, it's our innate compassion and empathy that drive us to help others, to stand together, and to rebuild. It's in these moments that we see the true strength of humanity, our ability to rise above adversity and to lift others as we climb. But humanity isn't just about reacting to challenges, it's about being proactive in creating a better world. It's about choosing to make a difference every single day. Whether it's through volunteer work, environmental efforts, or simply being there for someone who needs it, we all have the power to contribute to a brighter future. Remember, humanity is within each of us. It's in our choices, our actions, and our hearts. We have the power to create a world filled with love, understanding, and peace. It starts with you, and it starts with me. Together, we can build a future where humanity is celebrated, where kindness is the norm, and where every person, regardless of who they are or where they come from, is treated with the dignity and respect they deserve. So, let's choose humanity. Let's choose to be the change we wish to see in the world. Remember, it's not just about what we do, but how we do it. With kindness, with compassion, and with love. Subscribe to Success and Humanity for more inspiration, and let's continue this journey together.